Fix your car, buddy.
We're gonna fix your car.
Let's go fix it.
How's life, sweetheart?
Good, hi.
Yeah.
You guys sit down and do the bed of my truck for a video or something? Like a house room? Some bullshit?
No.
Or white duct
We're
tape?
fixing this right now. It needs to be fixed.
Looks better already. This actually looks better than the whole car. Some nice white.
In the camera, it looks like a good paint job right there.
This looks terrible.
No, it looks good.
Well, yeah, this looks terrible.
Yeah, we're fixing it.
Good.
How about we just tape around the whole car?
This looks fucking awful.
Did the rust look better? Look at that. Look at that. It's
Look
gone.
at that. Rust is gone.
It's
Ethan.
gone.
Here, you said you were complaining about it being cold in your car in the winter.
No more air is gonna get in there.
See? Double up right there.
Nice.
Set.
That looks really good.
That looks sweet. Look, now it's not going to be cold in your trunk.
This looks fucking terrible.
This looks so good. We should get the front too when we're done.
Make it all nice and symmetrical. Like, come on.
Hey, wait. Can't forget about this.
Oh. No, that'll stay together just fine.
Yeah.
And I think we gotta cover it up anyway, just so it doesn't
Just
look
barely
damaged.
stitch it.
I think we're good.
We're good.
We're good?
Ethan in his new car. He's happy. One happy guy.
Looks great.
This thing smells like fucking paint fumes.